Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can find or see who has liked your TikTok video. So here I've already opened my TikTok and I'm going to just go to my profile and click on my video. So you need to note that you can see the list of the likes only after 7 days. So if you click on this views right here, so post view history will only be available for 7 days from the post date, so it's not available now, but I still can see who like my videos in here in this uh left side on my video. And if you want to see the profile, you can just click on the photo and you'll be directed to their profile or the one who likes your video. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe, and click on the thanks below. Bye.